हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम आपके लिए फिर से एक नया वीडियो लेके आए। तो वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर से ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलें, ताकि हम कोई भी वीडियो लाएँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको तुरंत मिल जाए। वीडियो को अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो हमारा पसंद आता है तो एक लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम आपके लिए जो टॉपिक लेके आए हैं उसका नाम है कंपनसेशन मैनेजमेंट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एज फार एज कंपनसेशन इज कंसर्न्ड, इट इज़ अ सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच टू प्रोवाइडिंग मॉनेटरी वैल्यू टू एम्प्लॉयज इन एक्सचेंज फॉर वर्क परफॉर्म। Compensation may achieve several purposes, assisting in recruitment, job performance, and job satisfaction. So, compensation management is nothing but it is a value to provide it to employee in exchange for the work done by the employee. Application of compensation management. First one is compensation used in recruit and retain qualified employees. Second one is compensation can be used to increase or maintain satisfaction of the employee. Third one is compensation used in reward and encourage high performance. Fourth one is compensation can achieve internal and external equity. Fifth one is compensation reduce turnover and encourage company loyalty. And the last one is compensation management may achieve internal and external equity. So let's talk about the nature and purpose of compensation management. The first one is the compensation management establish and maintain an equitable reward system. The second one is compensation management used in an optimal balancing of conflicting personal interest so that the satisfaction of employees and employers is maximized and conflict should be minimized. Third one is the compensation management is concerned with the financial aspects of need, motivation, and rewards. Through compensation management, manager analyze and interpret the needs of their employees so that reward can be individually designed to satisfy these needs. Sorry. And the last one is the compensation management involves job evaluation, wage and salary survey, profit sharing, and control of pay cost. So let's talk about the component of compensation management. The component of compensation system include various things that are job description, job analysis, job evaluation, salary, and pay grades. Types of compensation: base pay compensation, commission compensation, overtime pay compensation, bonuses, profit sharing, merit pay, stock options, travel, meal, or housing allowance. Let's talk about the type of compensation. Compensation or reward can be classified into two: direct or indirect. Methods of compensation. First one is wages. Wages refer to the earning of employees whose pay is calculated on an hourly basis. Second one is salaries. Salaries refer to the earning of employees whose pay is calculated on a weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly basis. Third one is commissions. Commissions are usually computed on a certain percentage or commission rate. Fourth one is piece rate plan. Employee paid on piece rate plan receive a certain amount for each item produced. Fifth one is combination plan. Some organization pay salespeople both a salary and a commission. Combination plan provides some regular income and incentives. Sixth one is draws. A draws is an advance given to a salesperson that will be collected when future sale transactions are closed. So that's all what I tell you about. If you have any query in anything, you can directly comment me in the comment box. I, and if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more and more videos. Thanks for watching.